from molding, as well as other plastic processing industries. A large quantity of waste plastic material is generated. Purge lumps usually come in large-sized blocks. And purge lump is one of the wastes. Purge lumps usually come in large-sized blocks. They are not easy to handle for further processing without size reduction. Hence, purge lumps shredder is an essential machine in purge lumps recycling. Purge lumps are normally in solid and hard pieces with big size. So shredding is the initial recycling process of these plastic scraps. Not all shredders are suitable for shredding purge lumps. If you shred it with a double shaft shredder or granulator, it can get stuck due to its large size and rigidity. Purge lump shredder is usually a single shaft shredder. It has a high-speed rotary cutter along with a hydraulic-driven movable press plate. The hydraulic press plate pushes waste materials towards the rotating rotor and gets the scraps shredded. Actually, the purge lumps are shaved into plastic flakes by the high-speed cutting rotor of the single shaft shredder. If you want to obtain smaller plastic fragments, you can use our plastic crusher for further crushing. The lump scraps is crushed into pieces of 10 mm or less through the crusher.